Ever dreamed of running your own online store, but the thought of managing inventory or dealing with shipping feels like a nightmare? You're not alone. That's where dropshipping comes in, a business model where you sell products without ever having to touch them yourself. But even dropshipping can involve some manual work, especially when it comes to fulfilling orders. So, what if you could automate that too? That's the promise of Spocket, a popular dropshipping app that integrates with major e-commerce platforms. But does Spocket truly offer automatic dropshipping? Let's dive in and unpack exactly what Spocket does and how it can streamline your online business. First things first, what is dropshipping? Before we explore Spocket's automation magic, let's make sure we're all on the same page about dropshipping. In essence, dropshipping lets you act as a middleman between your customers and a supplier. Here's how it works. You create an online store and list products you want to sell. These products come from a dropshipping supplier who actually holds the inventory. When a customer places an order on your store, you forward that order and customer information to the supplier. The supplier then packages and ships the product directly to your customer. You never have to deal with physical inventory or handle shipping yourself. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But there's a catch. Manually fulfilling orders, one by one, can be a huge time suck. That's where Spocket comes in. Introducing Spocket, your dropshipping automation ally. Spocket integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. Here's the game changer. Spocket automates the order fulfillment process. When a customer places an order on your store, Spocket automatically routes the order details to your chosen supplier. No more manually logging into different supplier portals. Spocket handles it all behind the scenes. Provides real-time inventory updates. Say goodbye to the frustration of advertising a product that's actually out of stock. Spocket keeps you informed about supplier inventory levels. Tracks order fulfillment and shipping. Spocket keeps you updated on the order status so you can inform your customers when their products are on the way. This automation saves you a ton of time and eliminates the risk of human error when manually entering order details. It allows you to focus on the bigger picture, marketing your store, building your brand, and providing excellent customer service. Spocket isn't a magic bullet, but it's pretty close. While Spocket automates order fulfillment, it's important to remember it's not a complete hands-off solution. Here are some things to keep in mind. You're still responsible for customer service. If a customer has a question about their order, it's up to you to handle it, even if the fulfillment happens through the supplier. Product descriptions and pricing are on you. Spocket doesn't manage your store content. You'll need to create compelling product descriptions and set your own prices to ensure healthy profit margins. Supplier selection is crucial. Not all dropshipping suppliers are created equal. Spocket offers a curated selection, but it's still important to research suppliers and choose ones with good reputations for product quality and shipping times. Is Spocket the right choice for you? Spocket is a fantastic tool for entrepreneurs who want to start a dropshipping business or streamline their existing one. Here's who can benefit most from Spocket. New e-commerce store owners. Spocket eliminates the need for upfront inventory investment, making it a great option for those starting with limited resources. Busy entrepreneurs. Spocket frees up your time to focus on marketing and customer service, allowing you to scale your business more efficiently. Those who want a user-friendly dropshipping experience. Spocket's intuitive interface makes it easy to find products, manage suppliers, and automate order fulfillment. The final verdict: streamline dropshipping with Spocket. Spocket isn't a magic solution, but it comes pretty darn close. By automating order fulfillment, Spocket allows you to focus on the strategic aspects of running your online store. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting out, Spocket can help you save time, reduce errors, and ultimately grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.